Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Flip 7 Fa, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of the screen, which will bring down your toggles, and in here, this area, you want to swipe down again. This will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the screen recorder. For me, it is right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. This will bring up a window, letting you choose what kind of audio will be recorded. We have several options: none, media, and media and the mic. And then you can also record touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the screen. Now I'm going to start recording right now. It begins a 3-second countdown, which you can skip. And from now on, whatever you'll do will be recorded by the device, but there is a limitation, for instance with this. So you can see we have a login page right here. We can see it right now. Now I'm pointing that out because you won't be able to in a second. We also probably have Netflix in here. Nope, never mind, we don't. So let's just open up something that will be recordable, like for instance YouTube. Okay, now once you're done, you can click right here on this square to stop the recording, and this will save it automatically to your gallery application. It will show up right here at the very top, but if you're trying to find your screen recordings later on down the line, it might be easier to go into albums and then screen recordings. And you can see it right here. Now what you will see is basically when I try to open up Spotify, that's the login page where we had the sign in option. Is this. Now this is basically an application preventing screen capture from seeing the screen without your permission, I want to add. And this is basically kind of like a prevention of piracy, which is absolutely moronic and stupid and hypocritical from, for instance, Spotify to do this when Spotify literally came into existence from effing piracy. So, for the people that want to listen to and do whatever they want with their application and not have a hypocritical piece of shit judging them for this and doing things against it when they themselves did it, I highly recommend checking out anything that starts with R-E. And usually it's followed by a word events. And there you can find things like Spotify or for instance YouTube and other things, which basically allows you for free access to all of that without a payment, which I highly recommend checking that out. That's basically, I'm recommending this because I find it absolutely disgusting where you have applications that won't let you do what you want on your phone because of reasons. So when you want to do whatever you want on your phone, which when having these applications you can record them too, that kind of solves the problem. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.